Success isn't just about working hard. It starts in your mind. Your brain is like a powerful computer, constantly running programs based on your thoughts, habits, and beliefs. If you've been struggling with self-doubt, procrastination, or a lack of motivation, it's time to rewrite the code in your mind. The good news is you can reprogram your brain for success in just 30 days. This method has been used by top athletes, billionaires, and high achievers across all fields. And if you follow this process consistently, you'll start seeing incredible changes in your mindset, actions, and results. The first and most important step is to become aware of your thoughts. Most people don't realize that their minds are filled with limiting beliefs that control their behavior. Every time you say, "I'm not good enough," "I'll never be successful," or "I don't have what it takes," your brain treats it as a fact and adjusts your actions to match that belief. For the next 30 days, make a commitment to eliminating negative self-talk. Whenever you catch yourself thinking something negative, immediately replace it with a positive affirmation. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," tell yourself, "I am capable and strong." Instead of, "I'm not smart enough," say, "I am constantly learning and improving." These small changes in language might seem simple, but over time, they completely rewire your brain's perception of reality. One powerful example of this is Jim Carrey. Before he became a world-famous actor, he was a struggling comedian with no money. But instead of focusing on his failures, he trained his brain for success. He wrote himself a check for $10 million and dated it for 5 years into the future. Every single day, he visualized himself achieving his dream, landing big roles and earning that exact amount of money. And just before the 5 years were up, he got his breakthrough role in Dumb and Dumber and was paid exactly $10 million. His story proves that when you train your brain to believe in success, your actions will follow and success will become a reality. Visualization is another key technique that has been scientifically proven to reprogram your brain. Every morning, close your eyes and spend at least 5 minutes picturing yourself achieving your biggest goals. Imagine yourself getting that dream job, starting a successful business, or reaching your ideal body weight. Feel the emotions as if it's already happening. Science shows that the brain doesn't distinguish between real experiences and imagined ones, so this exercise conditions your mind for success and makes it easier to take action toward your dreams. This is the exact strategy Olympic athletes use before competing. They mentally rehearse their performance to prepare their minds and bodies for success. But just thinking differently isn't enough. To truly reprogram your brain, you must also take action. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for motivation to come before they act. The truth is, motivation follows action, not the other way around. If you want to start exercising but don't feel motivated, just do one push-up. That tiny action signals to your brain that you are now a person who works out, and soon you'll feel more motivated to continue. Taking small, consistent actions every day is how you build momentum and turn new habits into automatic behaviors. Another effective way to reprogram your brain is through journaling. Every night, write down 3 things you accomplished during the day, no matter how small. This trains your brain to focus on progress instead of setbacks. When you acknowledge even the tiniest wins, your mind starts looking for more ways to succeed. It's like programming your brain to expect success. Successful people like Warren Buffett and Oprah Winfrey have used journaling to reflect, learn, and grow throughout their journeys. Now, let's talk about something most people overlook: your environment. The people you surround yourself with and the content you consume shape your thoughts more than you realize. For the next 30 days, avoid negative news, toxic social media, and conversations that drain your energy. Instead, fill your mind with motivational content. Listen to inspiring podcasts, read success stories, and surround yourself with people who uplift you. If you spend time with people who complain and make excuses, you'll naturally adopt their mindset. But if you surround yourself with ambitious, positive individuals, you'll start thinking and acting like them. If you're getting value from this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We bring you powerful insights to help you transform your life. Now, one of the most effective strategies to reprogram your brain is using the power of gratitude. Gratitude has been scientifically proven to rewire the brain by increasing dopamine and serotonin, the chemicals responsible for happiness and motivation. Every morning, before you start your day, list 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Just simple things like having a roof over your head, the ability to breathe, or the people who support you. Over time, this shifts your brain's focus from what's missing to what's already abundant in your life, creating a mindset of success and fulfillment. Another interesting real-life example is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Before becoming a Hollywood star and the governor of California, he was just a young man from Austria with a dream. He practiced visualization every single day, picturing himself winning bodybuilding competitions and later becoming a famous actor. Despite having a thick accent and no acting experience, he trained his brain to believe he was already successful. His belief shaped his actions, and eventually he achieved everything he had visualized. So, let's recap. To reprogram your brain for success in 30 days, you need to do these things consistently. Eliminate negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Practice daily visualization. Take small but consistent actions. Keep a journal to track progress. Control your environment by avoiding negativity and surrounding yourself with positivity. And practice gratitude to shift your mindset toward abundance. At first, you may not notice big changes, but just like exercising a muscle, the more you do it, the stronger your brain's success programming becomes. Stick with it for 30 days and you'll start to see real transformations in your confidence, motivation, and results. Your brain will begin to work for you instead of against you, making success feel natural instead of impossible. Success isn't reserved for a select few. It's available to anyone willing to train their mind for it. You already have everything you need to become successful. You just have to rewire your thoughts and take action. Start today, commit to the process, and watch how your life transforms. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more powerful insights on achieving success and unlocking your full potential.